Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the extraordinary world of hummingbirds. Nature's miniature marvels. These tiny birds are truly fascinating. Known for their vibrant colors and remarkable flying abilities, hummingbirds are the smallest birds in the world, with over 300 species primarily found in the Americas. The smallest, the bee hummingbird, is just 2 inches long and weighs less than a penny. Despite their small size, they have an impressive metabolism, fueled by their diet of nectar from flowers. They use their long, specialized beaks and tongues to access this sweet treat, visiting hundreds of flowers each day. One of the most remarkable features of hummingbirds is their ability to hover in midair. This unique skill is made possible by their rapid wing beats, which can reach up to 80 times per second. This incredible speed allows them to perform aerial acrobatics, including flying backward and even upside down. Their wings move in a figure-8 pattern, giving them unparalleled maneuverability and the ability to remain stationary while feeding. Their iridescent feathers are another striking feature. These feathers reflect light in a way that creates shimmering colors, which can change with the viewing angle. This dazzling display not only makes them beautiful to watch but also plays a role in attracting mates and signaling to other hummingbirds. Hummingbirds are fiercely territorial, often defending their feeding areas from other birds, including those much larger than themselves. Their high energy levels and rapid movements require them to consume up to half their body weight in nectar each day. They also supplement their diet with insects and spiders to get the necessary proteins and nutrients. Despite their delicate appearance, hummingbirds are resilient travelers. Some species, like the ruby-throated hummingbird, undertake long migrations, traveling thousands of miles between their breeding and wintering grounds. These migrations can be perilous, with birds flying non-stop over the Gulf of Mexico for up to 18 hours. Hummingbirds play a crucial role in pollination, helping to fertilize flowers as they feed. This symbiotic relationship benefits both the birds, who get their food, and the plants, which can reproduce. Their presence is a sign of a healthy ecosystem, and they contribute to the biodiversity of the regions they inhabit. In recent years, efforts to support hummingbird populations have increased, with many people setting up feeders and planting native flowers to provide additional food sources. If you want to attract hummingbirds to your garden, consider planting brightly colored, tubular flowers like trumpet vine or tree bark, providing a clean, fresh supply of sugar water in areas can also help sustain these tiny visitors, especially during migration periods. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of hummingbirds. Their beauty, agility, and resilience make them truly remarkable creatures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content. See you in the next video.